birthday and I am a woman that loves tradition, I'm going to be reading my mean, funny, and otherwise weird comments. Where's your broom? It's in my kitchen, Jennick, with your mom. You would look a lot better without the tats. Well, Steven, you would look a lot better without the gut, but alas, the tattoos are horrendous and disgusting. Almost as horrendous as your complete lack of neck, Brian, but here we are. You bloody legend. Of course I'm happy, smiley face, and hungry. BTW, happy birthday for Halloween, XX. I've got money if you want to. It. Please don't hate me, XX, Mom. By the way, this was left on my page in April and my birthday is in June and Halloween also is not in April. But thank you. Whole look is ruined with tattoos. 40s women had class. Yeah, but 2000s women have body autonomy. Very pretty. The eyes are very, how do I say, tender, yet deep in thought. You're a Taurus with a painful past of knuckle dusters and easy bake ovens. Doesn't wear knickers or believe in such things? One with the wind. I dig you, baby. We tight. First of all, I'm a Gemini, and second of all, I love wearing underwear. Nasty. Let's not throw stones when we're working with this hairline, Ross. Ugh. Too bad a white woman gifted with being the most beautiful, attractive female species on the planet with the best genetics threw paint all over a perfect picture. What a waste. Such a shame. Did you ever think that maybe us fully tattooed white women did it just to be less attractive to racist, illiterate pieces of like you? Those tats are horrible. Much like that hair, Miss Angie. Ever heard of a brush? Then why don't you cover your fat, nasty ass up with some clothes? Much like you've covered your weak chin with this beard. Maybe you should go for a wig next for that hairline, Jason. It's retreat.